how to fix Snapchat camera problem. Hello guys, first thing, open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. Go to the apps like this, and then right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on Snapchat, click on force stop, and then click on storage. Click on clear data and clear cache to clear all the informations in the app, and then click on the power usage details here. Click on the power consumption alert, make sure to enable it. Click down here on force stop, and then go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it like this, and now you have to wait 10 seconds and disable the airplane mode, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial.